Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Apple Maps data on your iPhone. This includes your search history, recent locations, and even those significant locations that your iPhone quickly keeps track of. So let's get started. First, let's remove the location that iPhone saves in the background. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System Services. Then tap Significant Locations. Here you will see a list of places your iPhone has saved. Just tap Clear History and it's all gone. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Apple Maps data from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.